Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're looking at the best semi-automatic welding machine for people who want power, flexibility, and easy control in one device. If you need a welder for home projects or professional work, this one is worth your attention. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick look at the AWT MIG-200 semi-automatic welding machine. This machine is designed to handle many different welding jobs without needing multiple tools. The AWT MIG-200 semi-automatic welding machine is an all-in-one solution that works for beginners and professionals who want strong performance and simple operation. One of the biggest advantages of the AWT MIG-200 semi-automatic welding machine is its 8-in-1 multi-process support. It can handle gas MIG, gas mag, flux core, stick welding, lift TIG, spot welding, aluminum welding, and spool gun work. Because of this, you can use the same machine for different materials and projects without changing equipment. Another helpful feature is the synergic control mode. With this mode, the AWT MIG-200 semi-automatic welding machine automatically adjusts voltage and wire speed based on the material you select. This makes setup very easy for beginners. At the same time, manual control mode is also available, so experienced users can adjust the power exactly how they want. The machine also comes with a large LCD digital display. The screen shows all settings clearly so you can check your adjustments without removing your helmet. This makes the AWT MIG-200 semi-automatic welding machine safer and more comfortable to use during long jobs. To improve welding quality, the machine uses diamond core technology. This system controls the wire feed before the arc starts, which helps create a smooth and clean weld with less spatter. Because of this, the AWT MIG-200 semi-automatic welding machine gives better results with less effort. Durability is another strong point. The machine has an industrial cast aluminum wire drive system with dual gear rollers. This keeps the wire moving smoothly and gives steady performance even during heavy work. The AWT MIG-200 semi-automatic welding machine is also built with inverter technology, which keeps the weight low. The unit is under 35 pounds, so you can carry it easily between home, garage, and job site without trouble. Extra MMA functions like hot start, arc force, anti-stick, and voltage reduction help keep the welding stable and safe. These features make the machine easier to control, especially when working with different metals. Cooling is handled by a fan-on-demand system. The fan only runs when needed, which reduces noise and keeps dust from entering the machine. This helps the AWT MIG-200 semi-automatic welding machine last longer and work more efficiently. Another great advantage is dual voltage support. You can use the machine with normal home power or higher industrial power, so it works in many different places without problems. Want a welding machine that can do almost everything? The AWT MIG-200 semi-automatic welding machine is a great choice to consider. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.